Imagine waking up to sunshine streaming through bay windows in a cozy yet luxurious tiny home by the lake. Welcome to the 577 Lake Charles, a park model by Chariot Eagle that proves small living doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or style. In this video, we'll take you through every corner of this beautiful Florida home, from its open living space and full kitchen to its inviting porch made for morning coffee and peaceful evenings. So sit back, relax, and let's explore why this might just be your next dream home.
We wanna chase the night.